Welcome to RJ Coaching Classes by Rizwana Teacher. We are happy to introduce third batch of English Learning and Speaking course, where age is no bar. There is no condition of age, anybody can join our class. Daily online classes and so many other benefits at just ₹500 per month. Daily online live lectures are there. And there are different timings batch for different age groups. We also conduct regular dictation to improve spellings because it is utmost important to write words correctly. Memory games to improve vocabulary is also important because enhancement of vocabulary through different activities is the best way to improve. We also conduct concept clarity through practical application of knowledge. And we enhance the learning by fun-based and student-centric way. We conduct poetry making, essay writing, story making, role play, email writing, and so on. These are the few examples of creative thinking by our students. These are few examples of poetries written by our students at RJ Coaching Classes. All the topics are chosen by students only. They are very creative at our class. These are creative writing, short stories by little children, mainly class 1 to class 3. We also conduct regular tests and homeworks to improve your understanding. Here you will get the best stage to improve your communication skills. Personal attention is given for every student queries. These are happy students' feedback. We are really proud of it. These are happy parents' feedback. Thank you so much.